Earn free PayPal money. If you got a PayPal account, you want to make some cash, this is the video that you need to watch. So if you're brand new to the channel, welcome. My name is Andre. On this channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways how I can share with you my knowledge to help you as much as possible, because I know how it is. There's a lot of people out there right now that are looking to find something that is going to work from home. Maybe you need to get some extra cash and you're looking for that video. Now, this video is going to show you to get some free PayPal money. It doesn't require any technical skills. You don't have to have any degree for this. You don't have to be any master of ceremony or master of jack of all trade, master of none. That's totally cool. I know I'm being funny, but this is serious. So all you have to do, if you got a PayPal account, I'm going to share with you a website. So watch this video all the way to the end and you will see what I'm talking about. So once again, brand new people, like, subscribe, show some love on this video. Let people know that, hey, I've watched a great video about PayPal and this is the video that you need to watch. So let me know in the comments by dropping PayPal if you're brand new. From our people that are always here with me throughout thick or thin, I appreciate each and every one of you for keep watching my videos. So this is my channel. Just come through here and you will see a lot of videos. So if this video is not the one that you're looking for, take your time, come back. I'm tired, it's late. Come back here, go through here, and I'm sure you're gonna find something that you can relate, something that's gonna fit for you. So no degree, no technical skills, free PayPal money, earn some free PayPal cash by going to this website. So the website that I'm talking about is called Humanatic. You review calls, you get paid. That's how they pay you. So what is Humanatic? Okay, you know what it is. Humanatic, right? I'm getting tongue twister. I'm losing my train of thought. It's like 1:03 a.m. in the morning, but I have to share this with you because I'm passionate about this stuff. So once you go on this website is, they're basically, let's put it, I'm sure we all call the bank. You call the bank before, or you call some company and you hear, once you call them, you hear, this call is recorded for quality training purposes. And they just want you to know that. The reason for that is because these companies, they use it for multiple different reasons. They use it to improve like their customer service and sales. So if someone in customer service or sales or anything to do with being on the phone, they use that to kind of train their people to help them get going. Some people use it for analytical reports. Some people, they use it just because they want to save it. If there's anything whatsoever, they can always pull that up and they could use it for evidence. They can use it for whatever it is, you know, for the company. So it's for the company, it's for your own benefit as well. So how are you going to make money from this? You listen to the phone call, you answer simple questions with a click of a button, and you start earning money. So if you scroll down here, you could create your own schedule, make as little, make as much as you want. So for the people that are looking for life-changing opportunity, you're looking for life-changing businesses, you want to start your own business, check out the first link in the description, shameless plug. And if you want to learn more how you can start your own business, you can make as much and as little as you want, check out the first link in the description. So it is free, it is simple. You do not have to make any calls or receive calls. You don't need to have a live conversation. You don't need a third party during the live conversation. You don't need to transcribe a full conversation for every call you listen. That's the good thing, because there's websites out there that once you listen to those, there's websites out there that will transcribe audios, This is not one of them. You don't have to go through all the, the hassle with all of this stuff. They have over 150 users so far around the world, just like you. So our users are made up with people just like you, right? You can earn money from your computer, your tablet, or your phone. I know there's a lot of people out there that don't have a laptop. They don't have a phone. They don't have a laptop. They don't have a tablet, but they have a phone. So this website, once you got a phone, you're in the bag. You're ready to go. So to get started, first you got to make sure you verify your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, make sure you do that right away. That's how you're going to get paid. So you're definitely going to need that. Check your PayPal availability in your country here, so you can check to see if PayPal does work in your country. If it doesn't work, I'm sorry, but this website is PayPal. PayPal is everywhere these days. And then once you click on here, you can sign up now. So you make sure you verify. You just come through here, and as long as you verify your account, you're going to be ready to go. So some of the frequently asked questions that people would like to know. Let's dive into it. How do you apply for Humanatic? Oh my goodness, I can't even pronounce it. Okay, so you have to verify your PayPal account. Verify, make sure that it's good, and you'll be ready to go. So that's how it is free. Yeah, they will never charge you. Am I required to review calls during a certain hours? That's a good question. Very good. So 7 a.m. Eastern time to 7 p.m. So 7 to 7. That's when you do not require to review calls during certain hours. You may log in to review as little as much as you want at any times that fits your schedule. However, call availability, so these are normally like the large volumes of calls. So apparently they're probably using a lot of companies, probably in the Eastern time, or they're using companies in different time zones, but these are like the peak times that people are using. And I know that is definitely the peak time zones. So PayPal account, how do I get paid? They're going to pay you every time you get to like $10 minimum, you can request. And we process payments every Monday and Tuesday. So Monday and Tuesday is payday. A lot of people hate Mondays, but hey, if you're going to get paid on Monday or Tuesday, it is a good day. So all payments must be requested by Monday at noon, USA time. So you want to make sure you do that, so that way they could process until the following day. So as long as you do that, they can, get you set up and get you ready. So why wasn't my account approved? You can check that out. How much will you get paid? As I said before, it's not going to be a lot of money, but let's check it out as well. You can make anywhere from $1 to $4.50 per hour. That's not bad. A lot of times people are playing Fortnite or just watching TV. While you watch TV, you can listen to a couple of calls or use that time to make a little bit of money. So be patient, be consistent, and you will achieve great things. So you put in the hours, it's going to pay the time. So 2 hours, you're looking at maximum $9, $4.50, $9 for 2 hours. Not bad, especially if you're working from home. So as I said before, it's not life-changing. It's not something you're going to make you rich, but it's a start. It's something you can make money from, doing simple little things like this, and you can make a little bit of money. So I hope this video helps. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Check out my #1 recommendation in the description for you to learn more about exactly what do I do to make money from home. My name is Andre. Have a great day. See you on the next video.